Morning, gentlemen. Morning, everyone. Officer Brown, Officer Williams, come closer. We have two new police just get transferred to the station. One is a police who have 15 years under him belt, so he might catch on real quick, not worry about him too much. But we have one who fresh from training school, so we have a guide that one the real way. Now the two of them are go be placed on the operational and support team. So I go make uno and them work. So Officer Brown, for want to meet Officer Pick to the left. I him that right there saying at the full block. And Officer Williams, I want you meet Officer Quenger, who want me get the name the right, Quenger. I am that fresh out of training school. So I want you to guide him. So I want Officer Brown work with Officer Prick. Officer Williams, you work with Officer Quenger. But I make sure son show them on them the streets, show them the ropes, the place them where I give a problem, the done them. Furthermore, we have a list of all of the wanted man them in the communities. So you can get on yourself familiarized with the faces and they don't know the whole thing said. So when you go out there, be professional and do the do. Furthermore, we have an operation in the next few minutes. So just go and stay right or so. Go and exchange with a conversation. Get to know each other. Cause we are go up on the road soon. Oh my son.
Officer Pick, nice to meet you. I am Officer Brown. But by the way, Officer Pick, just out of curiosity, what is your first name? So I don't know we can get ourselves more familiarized with each other.
Nice to meet you, Officer Brown. My name is Heyman Pick.
We just say a while ago, squaddy. Officer Heyman Pick. Then how I real name that are for alias? We just say, me don't understand.
Me say me coulda bet me last dollar say that you go saying. No man, listen to me good man, and this a for everybody in our room. Officer Heyman, Hayman. It just happened that my last name a Pick, so yes it may sound like Heyman Pick, but it is Heyman Pick. You get that? Alright, boss.
Well, me hope you're not too thin skin, you know, because as of today, your name Officer Heyman Pick. And that I hear your name from today. That me a call you in the streets, man. And him the fit here was saying you full black and bossy. Them boy have to go afraid of you in the street, man. A Heyman Pick me and make them know so in the streets right now me and him. So playtime is over.
So young police, no, I don't want to call her that, you know. Need to broke myself out of this young police argument. Officer Quenger, hope me get that right. I when I graduate from training school. And what is your first name? By the way, my name is Officer Williams.
Nice to meet you, Officer Brown. And yes, Officer Quenger is the right name. You get it right, man. You get it right. And the way, we just left the training school about 2 weeks ago, you know. And the first name is Topton. So Topton Quenger.
No man, he come in like a planting in a man in the what? Officer, where you saying you? Cap Quenger? That me here, you know. I don't say yeah. A Topton Quenger. But here where you name in our streets, you know. Top Quenger. So Brown, let us see where go on. We get two top killer on the force right now. One name Officer Heyman Pick, and whoever you so, name Officer Top Quenger. So when we touch the road with the clips them load, I saw we ga call on in the streets. So the criminal them can hear them bad boy police near me and know say yo, as Officer Brown say over there so, clear time. Over.
Okay, gentlemen. I've seen that you all have gotten yourself acquainted with each other. So with that said, let us plan this operation. So we got to understand that Jigo made a telephone call to a certain individual on his block, and that certain individual is supposed to collect either a gun or some guns from another individual. We have the names, but we're not sure if that name or those names that we have collected is the names of persons that we already know. Maybe, maybe not. We're not too sure. So what they did not know is that when we are search warning for put him in the cell, the officer that carried out the search detected that one have a phone on him. The officer came to me and told me. So I told the officer, I instructed that officer to allow Wani to go inside the cell with the phone in the grounds out position, which part it did. Because me know say at some point in time, Jigo I go find out say Wani about talk and make some calls. So we done get the number from Wani, FEMA phone number. Link up CTAC man them for them bug the phone so we can listen in on the conversations and track every movement, every instructions what Jigo I give. Cause me try to talk to the boy, but the boy nah budge the boy nah give with no information. So me just think real fast, real quick, and say, alright, we supposed to can get some information from Jigo once him find out say Wani have the phone in the board position where there. So yeah, we just are gonna wait now for the time for coming now, for running pan the ends the real way. Oh my son.
So Jimmy, one question me for ask you, that's a brilliant plan here. Hats off for you, my boss. Hats off. That's a brilliant plan. But I one question me for ask you. How you call the board position with the phone in there? Cause you make my mind start think some little things right now, and me not feel like say my brain should I really think them little way there now man in the end of a boss. So just clear up all ambiguity for me there. Please. What are the board position with the phone did in there? I beg you do bad say, tell me.
Oh boy. Hey bro, you're not easy no man. Bro, if you never ask something like that, remember me tell you, me would not be the superintendent of the station if you never ask something like that. But anyway, put fun and joke aside. I literally want to not put the fun part right aside, you know. Him did have the phone in a body, betwixt in two body jars a catch up. When the officer search him and say spread them, it drop out, bluff a ground. So the officer frightened and can't tell me what go on. So me just make the officer know say, yo, make him keep it same place there someone. Make him keep it same place there so. Eventually, Jigo I gonna know say him have it. And make the call, and we're gonna just track it and get some information for running impediments and get some more strap. And who knows, if them put up a resistance, you don't know what go on. Dirt settings, once them challenge we.
Dead super, you're really serious about that. Then when 10 Jigo see me out a road, Jigo can't chat to me again, man. Furthermore, at arm's length distance, them boy they have to go stay and chat to me. Furthermore, me like calling Jigo no more. From now on, anytime I see Jigo out there in the streets, a batty face me I call him or a batty mouth. Yeah man, the man think shrivelung, the man think lily right now. The man really use a batty phone at happen. No sir. When me think me hear it all, then comes this. Jigo grounds out, but good grounds out too.
Why superintendent yeah, best of them a boss. Are the ultimate setup platinum man from all different angles, you know. Cause the man give information and they never know. And plus for top it all off, he might use a batty phone and give the information. And And the wickedest set up this in a history, man. Super. Yeah, a general, my boss. Hats off again, my general. Yeah, man, you are a boss.
Okay, gentlemen, now that you have all had your laughs, now back to serious business. You hear me, I say. But just there, wait for you make back the car, you know, to the link, where I go carry the thing, go pan him ends, go give him that link. So just wait pan the car left a drop so we know the exact timing for roll out and swoop down pan them and see if we can get 2 more of them fire tick there off our streets. Alright? So I just go and stick around and go around at the canteen, get some food, get some drinks, whatsoever the case may be, until I call on the back and just meet up back right, so, and we just go do the do. Alright? Oh, my son.
Roger that, my general. Roger that. To get a 1 drink round I canteen this still, so man and man, forward round there. Drinks is on me.
Yo, Jano Star. I not even know how me I got deal with this one in idea, you know. Jano Star, yo, the boy that G guy eat. Well, let me check see if my phone I had like half in the car. And then I foolishness, you know, make sure so my phone hang up. Next thing you got hear with me and say, yo. Boy that G got me and tell her start the morning eve lay a penny. Oh, my mother dropping a conversation star. Why, me I tell her say, yo, trouble not set like a rain, you know. Me not know how me go all pick up all myself and get myself in this a problem, you know. Brandon, me not know. But that one I look sticky. Cause be police in the streets right now. Me not want to tuck it in and I walk and next thing police come and search me. I have 15 years at minimum that, you know. I had that, bro, God say. So right now, I'm not live on that. I have to jump on my farmer program. I have to do what I have to do. So, I don't know. I have to go figure this out still. Because Giga say, oh, I have to carry that today. So, I don't know, but I got to figure it out. I don't know what I'm going to protect the strap the framage palm, I like it and so I can go on and know an idea. But I have to get this deal with time. I just need to get this behind me. How that man? Jano Star. My idea can't get any worse than this. First G go a bad milk. Now this a crisis gala. No sir, I don't know. Father God, deliver me.
Hey Brandon, what's up? Long time no see. How have you been doing? Guess what, Brandon? Guess what? May have some good news we tell you. Guess what now? Guess.
What is it, Ashley? What is it? What's the good news? What's the big hurrah about? Because I'm really not feeling like it today. So just hurry up and say what you say, please, so I can go and spy me and go.
But queer, or what is? So where you go answer for? Where the attitude for? What You know if I go answer, Brandon. I know see me in a plug and go and walk, but now say you know if I go answer, just hear me out, man. I find my father, Brandon. I just that alone me did want tell him. I'm just excited and me see you. And you don't know me I come from far, even though we not too take tea right now, cause I was going, but I just want to share the good news with you. I know nothing. Sorry for bother you still. Sorry.
What you say? You find a father? But that good man, that really good man, me happy for you, man, for real. Really happy for you, because I know say you always want to try your father, because you always feel some type of way because you not grow up with your own, is it? So I'm glad for you that still the same finally come around and I be a father to you, you know? So yeah, look up yourself, man, that good.
Yeah, Brandon, thanks. I got call him later still, and me and him I go meet up half a tree and all a little sit down and talk. So, I don't know. I could see how things work out now. And Brandon, again, I'm really sorry for everything that me have ever done to you. Really sorry, now, Brandon. Like, for God no. I'm really sorry. So you see, if you can think of anything when I could have do for repay you, Brandon, Just tell me and trust and believe me would do it. No. Cause I'm really, really sorry. Really sorry, Brandon. I'm sorry here.
Well, now that you put it that way there, there just may be something that I could do for me in a day. Yeah. I would just forgive you. I would just go and keep it mutual and become friends. Now I go back with you still, because I deal with business, now back as a still. Just to make you know me, just clear the air with that. How to can be friends when I have to be no enemies no more. What you say? You want to help me out?
Me know say I must some of my good, nice, clean, good up body I want in a Brandon. Me just know say that I want. You miss it?
Yeah, me say no, man, Ashley. Nobody make me lose my cool in idea star. I literally just say to you, say, now deal with thing now at the back. What kind of good up body me want back here talk about? And that me depend with the star. You gotta do me the favor or not. Come me like bugu in a few years or something wrong with you or something, yeah, man. Who mention nothing about no good body or want no. Nothing like that, man. Far from the truth. And that me want. I want if you do me a favor, I want you do me a solid. You up to the task or not?
No, sir. You look like somebody blood for your candle sense of humor. I was going, Brandon. You used to be such a fun-loving type of person, but from you start date that the girl, you just get serious, so. No. This is not you, Brandon. This is not you at all. Your heart just get cold towards me, so.
You up to the task or not, Ashley? Just answer me, man. You gotta help me out or not.
All right. Me will do it for you, man. Me will do it for you. Anything you say, Brandon. Anything at all. Just talk to me. Tell me what you want me to do.
Alright, yeah. Come back round my house with me. When I have a chat around my house.
You sure about that, Brandon? Run at your house? Run at the same house where you run me out of? You sure about that?
You know, see, I love the problem though. You're supposed to get a whole heap of liquid and you go to school, you know. How you can give you so much talking, man? Just forward, no, man. Forward, man, and make me all a chat around pa my block.
Okay, sir. Okay. Ashley coming.
Yo, Pinky. Wagwan.
But who that could have come, man? Who that? Hello? Who that? Who that call me?
Yo, Pinky, I me, man, a tuggy, man. There, forward out and say, come give me a link there.
Then what tuggy could I really want with me? Sure. Alright, tuggy. May I come. Give me a second there.
Yo, Pinky, wagwan. That know say me go up on the road and me go mash up a tree to wicked and make a piece of food and me just put on a little piece of cheese for general though. You know say me go link Ashley, but she not there on her God. So me just say me I walk come link you, see if I can go down a jail house go link it general and make him get a piece of food there. What you say? Mash it up for G the feminine.
Ashley, are the right somebody for you asking a tuggy. After better than I know my man.
You take big man for idiot to the girl Pinky. Make sure say make a general get that piece of food there quick and fast in a day. That me I make you know cause today are visiting day upon the block. So make sure say a general get that piece of food there. Hey Pinky, everybody boy I don't know say general I beat out your belly too. So me no know where you talk about. Are you alone coming like you don't know? You hear me? May I give you 35 grand for you, General. Hold this. And say a 5 grand, you put that in your pocket. And go mash up road and make sure say General. Get that. You see it?
General a beat out who for belly. Go on, yeah. Coulda bright. After better than can touch me with a long stick. After me no like Ashley. Man, go along where I go, yeah. But me I gotta do it still. Me I gotta do it because I general still. Nobody feel so me I do it because I you. Or because I might feel so better than I me asleep. Nothing like that. Me I gotta just do it because you done know I general pan the ends. And me done there sorry day and see I can't find Ashley. So me I gotta do it. Now worry yourself, man. I gotta make sure I tell the general secretary say yo if you stop call up my name.
Alright, Tinky, anything you say, cause me tuggy look like my band big, but just make sure you say General get that. That's all more have to do.
So Brandon, how you call me nails for? What happened? Talk to me now.
Hold on there, Ashley. I have to take that call there. A number you see like is a number me know. That will bleach an important call. Give me a minute. I can take it.
All of a sudden, you just done one big important piece of money.
Yo, General, what go on?
Yo, youth man, what go on? I'll be deal with the thing what me did tell us if deal with an idea, yeah.
You know, I say I hit me out figure deal it right now, my General. Big man levels.
Yeah man, just make sure say you deal with it, you know, because such one I got up on the ends at a certain time, so just make sure say you reach in time, alright?
Yes, my boss. Definitely, man. Me dep on it right now, man. Consider it done.
Alright, youth, alright. That me want for hear, man. I saw me love when time you fall in line and do exactly as me say. Big up yourself. Little more.
Oh yeah, with friends like these, who needs enemies? Never saw it coming, not from you. We were closer than blood, yeah, I thought it was true. Shared every secret, every scar, every dream. Now I'm questioning what any of it mean. You were family and all, but name, not every memory.
My boss, where are dealing? You ready for it?
Yes, I'm ready. All of you, come to the office right now.
Yo, Brown, yeah man pick top quenga. All I wanna forward. Super same want to in the office now.
All right, gentlemen, thank you for coming in. Anyways, I just got the information on the person who will be transporting the gun to GvN. All right? Now what we're going to do, we're going to intercept him on the route that he will be traversing to go to Gigo. We don't want him to get up there with the gun because that may cause confrontation with the criminal elements on Gigo's block. So we need to intercept him before he gets to Gigo and take that gun off him. And if he puts up any form of resistance, you have my permission. Do not be afraid. Do not hesitate to put him down. Make sure you all wear your bulletproof vests. And once we are touch the road, make sure so the clips them load. Oh, my son.
Alright, my boss. That me want for hear about. Yeah, officers, them give me a name in a superintendent. Them say as of now, me don't name Heyman Pick. Me name Eman Pick. So right now, that me a go thing I street go do. Work with it.
Yo, Top Quenga, come with me. Me and work with Panda Mission, yeah.
Alright, yeah man pick. Me and Yaga walk then forward.
So Ashley, what go on with you and your newfound love better than? Here, say right after I get shot up, police take him out of hospital and throw him in a jail and instill their jail. When last I go down, they go link your general. But yeah, look round up one little way still. What? When I plan a family or something? What? A little young better than the pandu.
Newfound love. Coulda bright. Who coulda really love better than? You are my only one and true love, Brandon. And you know that too. So no bother with your foolishness. Go on here, bright.
No, man, nobody take the thing too serious, Ashley, man. I just run me and run it off with them, man. You don't know anything set, man. Just so I know, say, yo, me not care enough bad feelings for you for nothing at all, man. What go on in my past, just go on in my past and reach a point in my life and also me just make the past go and stay which part it there. God bless me with a nice young woman. I just want God to just bless you the same way too. And any man will come in your life next with a decent youth star. Furthermore, if mother look upon nobody else unless I want decent youth, just deal with him right. Once him love and check for you. No bother with the foolishness, just deal with him right. Because good man and good woman heart refine. God bless me with my one, I'm going to bless you with yours too. Yeah.
Me hear you. God bless you with a good girl, no? You soon find out still. You soon find out.
What you mean by that? Me soon find out. Me soon find out still. How I go? What you mean by me soon find out? What me soon find out?
Me dear? Not a thing, me dear. Not a thing. Hold on, Brandon. Hold on there. Uncle Tom not over there, so. Yo, Brandon, go and walk. Me go hold a quick reason with Uncle Tom and come catch you up back. Uncle Tom, I'm a general, you know. Real big man in the streets, man. Me go hold a quick reason with him and come catch you up back. Go and walk. Me soon forward. Uncle Tom, go on, Uncle Tom. You know, so I talk with my father. Yeah, I talk with him, man. And me and him go meet up half a tree very, very soon. I just wait for him for talk over everything with him family. And then me and him go link up and sit down half a tree and just hold a decent reason about everything. Boy, Uncle Tom, me nah lie. Me happy, me never happy so yet in my life. And me owe all of this to you, you know, Uncle Tom. And you do this for me, you know. Boy, Uncle Tom, me nah lie, star. Channel, I love you.
No problem at all, man, Ashley. No problem at all, man. I'm happy for you. I'm really, really happy for you that you found your dad. And who knows, I may potentially reconnect with a long-last friend myself too. So yeah, it's definitely a good thing. Definitely a good look.
Hey boy, hold up here. Police, don't move, boy. Hold up here and don't move.
Officer, what? What me do, officer? Officer, yo, officer, Brandon and officer. Yo, officer, William, start to the man, start, I'm not even know this. Yo, officer, Brandon.
Hey boy, Brandon, you're not here with the police. Tapping eyes and hold up your hand, man.
But officer.
But what? But nothing, hey boy Brandon. Tapping eyes and hold up your hand them. You say if you ever blink, me slap a shot in your head tap right and I am pray you out a ground right there. So boy Brandon, where you gone there?
Friends like these, who needs enemies? You cut me down so effortlessly. Just turn the dust beneath my feet. Now all that's left is defeat. And she was lying right next to me while you were living in our secrecy. Every forever turned into a lie. Guess love was just your alibi. Two shadows moving where I couldn't see. Why I gave you both